was getting close to Christmas, and JoJo Gnome had been invited along to Hattie Hedgehog's Christmas party. When he arrived, there was a big Christmas holly wreath in the door. There were lots of decorations on the walls, like paper chains, balloons and bells. In the middle of the floor, there was a table with lots of different shapes of card and coloured pens. "Welcome to my Christmas tree party," said Hattie. What's a Christmas tree party?" he asked. Hattie pointed to a big tree in the corner of the room. It was so big it almost touched the ceiling. It only had a couple of decorations on it. "You've not got many things in your Christmas tree," said JoJo Gnome. "Not yet," said Hattie. "And that's what we're going to do now. We're going to make some Christmas decorations for the tree." Hattie gave everyone a bit of card. "Right, you can draw whatever you want in your card," she said. "It could be anything. My dad drew a snowman and I drew a star. You might want to draw something else, or you might even just want to colour the shape in. You can do anything you like." So, what do you think JoJo drew and put on Hattie's tree?
At Clober Primary School, this is what we put on Hattie's tree. Do you like her baubles? What would you put on Hattie's tree?